On a hot summer day, a little bird was flying under the blazing sun, feeling very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere but found none. He thought to himself, "If I don't find water soon, I might not make it." He was losing hope. He saw a pot on the ground and flew down, but the water was too low for him to reach. When he was about to give up, he noticed the small stones nearby. An idea popped into his head. He started dropping the stones into the pot, one by one. As he dropped more stones, the water level slowly rose. Finally, he could drink the water. He drank until he was no longer thirsty and flew away happily. Before you give up, think about it. Maybe there is a way.